In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Amazon search history on iPhone. This is a quick way to tidy up what you've been browsing, keep recommendations a bit more relevant, and add a little privacy to your shopping. I'll walk you through exactly where to find the settings and what each option does so you can pick what works best for you. Start by opening the Amazon app on your iPhone. On the bottom of the screen, look for the account button and tap it. From there, choose your account. This takes you to a hub of settings that control how your account behaves. Scroll down until you find a section called Personalized Content. Inside that section, tap Browsing History. You'll now see a list of what you've looked at recently. Depending on your activity, this may include items you viewed and searches that led you to those items. It's a convenient log if you want to revisit something, but it's also exactly where you go to clean things up. To remove a single item from your history, look for the option that says Remove from View and tap it under the item you want to clear. That entry disappears immediately, and you can repeat that for any other items you want to hide. If you want to clear everything at once, tap the gear icon in the top right corner of this page. In the menu that appears, choose Remove Items. This wipes the entire list in one go, which is handy if you're doing a full reset of your browsing history. There's also a helpful control for taking a break from tracking. In the same gear menu, you can pause history for 3 days, 1 week, or 2 weeks. When paused, Amazon stops saving new items to your browsing history for the duration you select. This lets you shop without adding to the log while keeping your existing history intact. It's a good option if you're shopping for gifts and want to avoid cluttering your recommendations for a little while. A quick note, app layouts can vary slightly with updates, but the labels you're looking for, your account, personalized content, and browsing history, stay consistent, so use those as your guide. And remember, changes to browsing history apply to your account, so they'll reflect across devices where you're signed in. That's it. Open Amazon, go to your account, head to personalized content, tap browsing history, and choose whether to remove individual items, clear everything, or pause tracking for a short time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Amazon tips and tutorials.